subscribe to our channel.
9 Alternative uses for Vicks VapoRub. Due to its high content of anti-inflammatory, analgesic and relaxing ingredients, this popular remedy has a bunch of alternative uses that many people aren't aware of. 1. Athlete's foot. Applying a little bit of Vicks VapoRub on afflicted feet will reduce fungus and dryness. How to use. Rub a little ointment on your feet every night before going to sleep and then put on socks. Use every day until it clears up. 2. Acne. Even though it is oily, this balm has a positive effect removing pimples caused by acne. Its powerful compounds reduce inflammation, cleanse the skin and avoid scars. How to use. Apply a small amount of Vicks VapoRub to pimples twice a day. 3. Muscle pain. The warming sensation felt after applying this product with a soft massage is good therapy for muscle pain. How to use. Massage the affected area with a good amount of ointment and cover with a hot, dry towel. Repeat twice a day until pain is relieved. 4. Stretch marks. Applying a little ointment on the stretched skin can show notable improvement. Its hydrating qualities stimulate cellular reparation and increase firmness in the area. How to use. Apply a good amount of Vicks VapoRub to the affected areas and softly massage in until it is completely absorbed by the skin. Use every day to get best results. 5. Warts. Those unsightly warts can be removed in a matter of days by consistently applying this ointment. How to use. Apply a small amount over the wart, cover with a bandage and let sit for 6 hours. Repeat the above, changing the bandage. 6. Repellent. The strong odor of this product repels mosquitoes. If you want them to go away, don't hesitate to use it. How to use. Rub over exposed skin, especially when outdoors. 7. Avoid infections. If you have small cuts or skin abrasions, apply to avoid infections. How to use. Cleanse the affected area and rub in with a soft massage. 8. Bruises. To promote blood flow and avoid bruising, softly massage with this ointment. How to use. Mix a little sea salt with Vicks VapoRub and rub over the wounded area with soft, circular massages. Repeat twice a day if necessary. 9. Vicks VapoRub and garlic. The anti-inflammatory properties of Vicks VapoRub combine with the antibiotic qualities of garlic to create a potent remedy against ear infections. This simple treatment has recently gone viral as many who have tried it swear by its effectiveness. While either ingredient alone can be used, it's best to combine their effects using both at the same time. How to use. Peel a clove of garlic and put in the microwave for 10 seconds. When done, put a little Vicks VapoRub on one end and place in the affected ear. Leave for a couple of hours and you'll notice the relief. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.